Hey everyone, have you heard about Pi? Pi Networks. It is a cryptocurrency, so we'll have to share my experience about Pi. I started joining this program since 5 years ago. I didn't do anything. I have to do what I did is to mine the Pi Networks. So it's totally free and wala siya kapital nga imong buhian. Ano na gyud siya kasimple. So if you are interested, so we'll have to show you my dashboard right there. So if you can see, nagsugod ko taod na ni. So mga 5 years ago na lagi, 5 years or mga 4 years kung wa ko mo sayop na diha ng mga levels sa tuig. So I didn't do anything, but if we're going to check the what do you call that one, the equivalent sa 1 pi right now in peso, malipong ka kaya nag-develop sila, sige sila develop while nag-increase po ang ilang value ng pi. So 1 pi right now, so if we're going to look to search on Google, how much is 1 pi, kung pila ang isa ka pi mauni. So that kung tanaw nato dire sa Google ato i-search. So dinhi sa CoinMarketCap. Accept lang nato ang cookies. So imagine that 1 pi there. Okay, 1 pi equivalent to peso, it's kagabi it's 2,288. So right now it's 2,346.94. So if I have 75 pi, okay, that is now the equivalent of my mined pi. Okay, 176,000. Woo! That's the equivalent of the pi that I have right now. So yan, just like in Bitcoin before. Okay. So, nagsimula ako, 50 pesos lang yung isang pi. At libre yun. Okay, because we are the pioneers. So, ngayon, it's not yet too late na maging part of the pioneers ka. So, because I will give to you my code, my link, para mabilong ka sa pioneers. So, if you are interested, so just shoot me a PM if you wanted to be, to join the system. Okay, this is totally free, wala kay pagawas maski piso dire. Ang imong gikinahanglan lamang is ang imong oras. Gikinahanglan nato is ang imong oras. Ug magpislit ka sa button nga mine. Ana ra gyud. So exchange ato 9 peso, yung ana nang abtan sa akong 75. Imagine nagsugod ko dire is mga 4 years ago. Okay? So ganyan.